In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print brochure from Canva. We'll go from finishing your design in Canva to downloading a high-quality file and printing it correctly, so your brochure looks clean, sharp, and ready to share. Start by finalizing your brochure design in Canva. Make sure all your text is proofread, images are clear, and any elements near the edges have a little breathing room. If your brochure has folds, visually check that panels line up the way you expect. This is your last chance to tweak spacing, adjust alignment, and confirm everything looks exactly the way you want. When you're ready, head to the top right and click the Share button, then choose Download. In the File Type options, select PDF Print. This format is designed for high-resolution output and preserves crisp text and vector graphics, which is important for brochures with small fonts and detailed images. Before downloading, check your settings. Set it to include all pages so the entire brochure exports in one file. Turn on crop marks and bleed. Crop marks show where a professional printer will trim the edges, and bleed extends your background or images slightly past the trim line so you don't end up with thin white borders. If you plan on using a print shop, this is especially helpful. For color, if you have Canva Pro, choose CMYK for the most accurate print color matching. If you're printing at home or don't have Pro, RGB will still work well on most desktop printers. Click the download button and wait a few moments while Canva prepares your file. Once it's ready, it will download to your computer. Open the PDF in your preferred viewer. To print, press Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on a Mac. Choose your printer from the list, and make sure the scale or size option is set to 100 or actual size. This prevents your brochure from shrinking or expanding, which keeps margins, panels, and folds aligned exactly as designed. When those settings look right, go ahead and print. If you follow the PDF print settings, enable crop marks and bleed, and use the correct color profile, you'll get a brochure that looks professional and true to your design. That's all there is to it. From Canva to a polished, print-ready brochure in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching.